Wondering how an AI cloud accounting software can help your business generate e-invoice in an instant and be ready for the future implementation of e-invoice by LHDN? Introducing QNE AI Cloud Accounting's e-invoice module. With QNE AI Cloud Accounting's e-invoice module, you can easily generate e-invoice ready receipts to your customers in just a few clicks. In this video, we will show you how to issue an e-invoice validated by LHDN to your buyers instantly. Imagine a scenario wherein a small business engaged in selling CCTV, whose owner is also the technician, goes to a client to install one of their products, a CCTV. Upon completing the work, the buyer is then required to check the details of the invoice before making a payment. Let's see how a window-based accounting software can handle such request. First, the technician requests for the correct and complete information from the buyer to be inputted to the e-invoice. But the buyer is new to the company and requires his boss to validate the information provided, such as TIN, SST number, and more. That would take roughly around 10 minutes. After that, the technician will then forward the information to their account department to create and issue e-invoice. After 15 minutes or so, the e-invoice is now ready and forwarded to the technician to be provided to the buyer, only to find out that some of the details are incorrect. So what does the technician need to do now? Repeat the whole process over again? Imagine how much time is being wasted for just a simple correction. Add to that the other tasks that the account department needs to do that might and will affect the delivery time of the request. But all these can be avoided by using QNE AI Cloud Accounting, the AI-powered and LHDN e-invoice ready accounting system. This is particularly advantageous when dealing with a buyer who may take time to request essential information such as TIN, SST number, etc. It is crucial to avoid delays in invoicing to ensure a smooth payment process. The technician can conveniently log in to QNE AI Cloud Accounting from their mobile phone, create the invoice directly, and send the PDF invoice to the buyer via WhatsApp. Thanks to the cloud capabilities of QNE AI Cloud Accounting, the generated invoice already contains a QR code, allowing buyers to input their company's registration information and effortlessly request a validated LHDN e-invoice. Buyers can simply scan the QR code located at the top right of the invoice, provided that the request is made in the same calendar month as the actual transaction. Once they scan the QR code or click the provided link, they will be directed to the e-invoice issuance portal. They can then fill out the details and click Apply for e-invoice. Generate and provide e-invoices to your buyers quickly and easily with QNE AI Cloud Accounting. This automated process enables both the technician and the buyer to have a smooth transaction by simply using QNE AI Cloud Accounting. The buyer will not need to worry about the e-invoice process anymore. The PDF invoice contains a QR that will lead them to the LHDN e-invoice issuance portal. The account clerk can simply scan the QR code on the regular invoice and provide the necessary information, such as TIN and SST number, into the QNE e-invoice issuance portal. This process facilitates the generation of an e-invoice online automatically. By adopting this streamlined process, all steps are automated, ensuring efficiency and reducing manual intervention. The business owner can receive payment faster, save a lot of time to handle the e-invoice process, and reduce the risk of typographical errors and complaints from customers. While the buyers can worry less and avoid spending too much time on how to request validated e-invoice, and account department will not be required to spend time and resource to communicate with the suppliers who requested validated e-invoice. Follow us on our social media accounts to get the latest information about the e-invoice features of QNE AI Cloud Accounting. QNE AI Cloud Accounting, your partner in ensuring LHDN e-invoice compliance.